if we didn't register model in admin.py, how we can enter date in the database table, sir? Yes, sir, there is a possibility is there. We can able to enter manually. No, no, there are multiple ways are there to do that. Don't worry about that. Okay, but when we require to register with the admin.py, if you want to perform any operations in the admin interface, then only we require to do that. If we are not going to perform any operations in the admin interface, then we are not required to register to the admin interface. Are you getting, Raman? So we will discuss that. Don't worry about this. Okay. So now I hope up to last sessions it is a very clear for you people, not required to keep much explanation about how to create model. All these terminologies are very clear for you, right? Sir, have you remembered, right? Sir, just I will ask one or two important conclusions. Sir, first observe how to create model. How to create model class. Any explanation is required? Next, after creating model class, what we have to do? Make migrations, and then what? Migrate. Make migrations, migrate. After make migrations and migrate, what is the next one we have to take? Is register model to admin. Register model to admin. Model and model admin. Model to admin. After that, create super user. Next, and after that, login to admin interface. Right? That's all. These are activities already we did. Again, already we did these activities, right? So now, if you consider our model project one, if you consider our model project one, if you observe that, yes, I created already employees table. I created already employees table. I created. Okay, in that now I can able to see the data, sir. If you want, you can able to observe that. If you want, here just observe a bit carefully. We covered already all these things, right? Okay, now just observe that carefully, sir. Here, do you know what is our project, sir? What is our project? Model project one. Are you getting what is the project, sir? Model project one. First, I define model. Sir, have you observed, right? This is my model. Are you getting? This is my model. I define the model. This is the model what we have. Next, and after that, okay, I register this model in the model interface. Sir, have you remember? Even this part also I discussed. Already in the last session. Okay, like even I discussed this one also. Next, and after that, after completing that, even, sir, what we did is make migrations, migrate, create super user, log into admin interface. But here one small thing you have to be aware, sir, super user per project basis. So Surya Prakash, super user is per project basis. That's why for every project we require to create separately super user, because Django is always going to work per project basis. Are you getting? Per project basis. That's why compulsory we require to define super user for every project. It is mandatory. Okay, like next. One more thing, sir. Okay, that's all up to this. Let me log into admin interface. Okay, let me start the server. Django 9 a.m. projects 9 a.m. Now let me so go for let me go for, sir, py project model project one. I'm taking. Next py manage.py run server. Okay, run server like this, right? Now what is my requirement is, let me log into admin interface. Let me log into admin interface, because I want to show my data, sir. What I will take here is http or otherwise 127.0.0.1. Okay, like /admin. Regarding /admin, now admin interface by default will be ready. Now most of the times, do you know, Durga and then Durga 123. Better to use the same super username and password, same for every project, so that you won't get any confusion, right? Are you able to understand, right? So that's all this is. Now if you observe, yes, what data is there? This is the data whatever we have. Any doubt? Any doubt up to this? Okay. Sir, once admin.site.register, admin.site.register. Yes, sir, just take a bit very special care. What is the meaning of this line? Sir, someone is asking this doubt, sir. Just observe carefully. What the meaning? What the meaning of this line? Just observe that, sir, a bit carefully. So once we write a model, this table information I want to see in the admin site or admin application, admin page. I want to see my model. If you want to see your model in the admin interface, then we have to register, okay, our model, right? Regarding, we have to register our model. Admin.site.register employee means that we are registering our model class to the admin interface, so that this table data by default you can able to see in the admin interface, right? Yes, our application for that employees is there, like it's going to provide, no problem at all. Any doubt? Are you able to see, right? Test, yeah, employees, right? Sir, if you are not going to do this stuff, do this stuff, what will happen is, yes, sir, these are data there, but it is not going to be displayed in the admin interface. If you want to see your data in the admin interface, then automatically compulsory we require to register this one. So, man, are you able to understand? Next, while displaying this data, sir, I want to specify, sir, I want ID, employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address in the table form. My required fields I want. If you want to specify your fields, then automatically what we have to take here is, sir, have you remembered, right? Here we have to write one more modal admin. Are you getting one more modal admin? So we have to take employee admin. Whenever we are taking this employee, can you please display this information? Can you please display this information? Like that we have to specify. Sir, usually ID I don't want. That's why just only employee number, employee name, and so on. Now this is. If you want to manage your data, how to display and so on, sir, how you can able to take here is, you have to specify, you require to specify here, sir. Please make sure under that admin class also compulsory we have to register with the admin site. Are you getting? So please make sure register of employee. Make sure employee table available to the admin interface. Next, the employee admin is going to decide in the admin interface which columns of data we have to display. That thing is going to take care by this employee admin. Regarding that's all. This is about what you people should be aware. Sir, in admin page, which front-end language is used? What that front-end language? What the meaning front-end language means? Obviously, anywhere UI related, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, these kind of things only will be used. Sir, if you observe this type of thing, maybe front-end, Bootstrap or something like they may use it. Getting right? Sir, now what next we have to take care? What the next we require to take care, sir? Sir, admin home I'm taking 1 minute, sir. View page source. If you observe, have you observed this is the HTML page? And then this is the simple CSS we are using. Are you getting right? Simple CSS files we are using, sir. Static admins here base.dashboard.css, like simple HTML and CSS only. This is admin front end code. Okay, sir. Can I go to the next level? Are you able to understand, right? Saurabh, just right click on this. Then automatically how this one is implemented, you can able to see. How this one is implemented, you can able to see the source code. Yes, this you can able to see here which things are there. Okay, it's the pure HTML. Next, and after that CSS files also for styling purpose, like maybe jQuery or these kind of things. Maybe I don't think I'm not seeing any such type of code here. It seems to be simple. Normal HTML and CSS. Okay, yeah. Now Sir, up to this, everyone aware how to write model class. Regarding everyone can aware how to write model class. Now my requirement is, sir, I want to display the data present inside model class to the end user. Regarding I want to display the data present inside model class to the end user. Yes, sir, that thing must be important, sir. How we can able to take care? It is a very simple. Don't worry about that. Let me go to. Can you please tell now the work with the views.py. Now the work with the views.py, sir. Sir, DEF. Okay, DEF. Sir, employee. Sir, info view, like this I'm taking, sir. Employee info view. Sir, now I'm trying to take request. Now I'm trying to take request. DEF employee info view request I'm taking. Sir, what I have to take? Sir, very important terminology. Please make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Sir, how I can able to display employee data? So first I want to get the data present inside employee table. This is about my requirement, right? How you can able to get, just take a bit very special care about this one, sir. So employee model is required. That's why let me take from test app dot models, from test app dot models import employee. From test app dot models import employee. Sir, very simple. If you want to get the data from employees table, can you please tell which SQL query we are writing? Anyone, can you please tell which SQL query we are going to write? Generally select a star from employees. Correct or not? This total employees data by default is going to come. Yes, this total employees data by default is going to come, sir. Now take very special care about this one. If you want this line, okay, in the Django ORM, I mean database related, okay, in the Django model, how you can able to take is, sir, employee data objects data all. Remember this one. What is the word, sir? Employee dot objects dot all. Now you are going to get query set. Now you are going to get query set. Of course, internally it is the query set, sir. Okay, all employees information by default we are going to get, sir. Please make sure if you want to read the data present inside the database, compulsory our hand should go for this is the code, sir. Do you want all the information or not? Yes, man. I want all the information. Then immediately you must, sir, no, I don't want all columns, I want only 2 columns, sir. Or I want only employees whose salary greater than 15,000. Okay, like you can able to do all kind of SQL operations here, no problem at all. That part I will discuss. Okay, but as of now, just aware how to select the complete information. This line is very important point. Are you in the position to understand? Can you please tell, sir? Now, sir, total data present inside employee table by default available inside this employees. Internally, these employees is what types are query set type. Of course, how you can able to read that part I will take care. Sir, this line is a very important, sir. Can you please guide? I forgot that line. Can you please tell what is the line I have to write? Hey, I want to get the data. What is the line I have to write? Can you please guide? What is the line? Employees is equal to, here this can be any name, no problem at all, sir. Here employee dot please confirm employee dot our model. Please guide. Can you please guide? Please guide. I don't know what is the code I have to write. Just now I told. Please, employee dot everyone, can you please type the remaining code? Please type the remaining code, everyone. Please type the remaining code, because most of the people are going to do a small mistake. That's why I'm asking you explicitly to type. Out of 4 members, 3 members already did that mistake. Swami, Suri Prakash, almost out of 4 members, already two members already did this mistake. So employee dot objects, not object, objects dot all. Regarding employee dot objects dot all. Remember this one, it is the plural. Okay, objects dot all. Okay, now I got. So to display this data, I will send this data to template file. I want to send this data to template file. Very simple, sir. Return render of request comma test app slash results dot html results.html comma. Have you remembered, right? In the last classes I covered, yes, how to send the dictionary context dictionary, right? Yes, now you can tell employees colon employees, like you have to take. Everyone in the position to understand, right? Sir, observe that request. Next and after that results.html, employees like this, right? Okay. Now the data is going to send to results.html template file, sir. Sir, I didn't create any templates. Let me do that work also. Okay. Inside model project. Yes. Can you please guide, sir? Templates folder. Please guide templates folder. Inside the templates folder, now I have to take a new folder, test app folder. Inside the test app, yes, I want results.html, like this I'm taking, sir. That's all. Now this is the file, results.html, right? Now in the results.html, what is the code I have to write, sir? Very important. Okay, so first time database information I want to display. Database information I want to display, sir. Okay, I don't want to go for coloring all these things, sir. That's why don't worry about this one, sir. Okay, so first thing what I have to take, sir, this template dir compulsory we require to write inside settings.py. Regarding that compulsory, it should be required. Base dir here template dir is equal to os.path.join os.path.join. Here just base dir, okay. Now comma templates, base dir comma templates, like now inside inside the templates. Now let me add that directory location, right? That's all, friends. Can you please confirm? Everyone in the position to understand? Okay, this is nothing because already we are very much familiar with this terminology, right? Now let me go for results.html. Regarding, let me go for results.html. It is a very important, sir. Do you know some template tags we require to write? That the template tags is nothing but Jinja2 code. Regarding, right? What is this code? Jinja2 code, sir. This is Jinja2 code even applicable for Flask also. Okay, sir, just like our Django, there is one more concept is there named with the Flask. This is another framework, another web framework to develop web applications by using Python. In that also, this Jinja2 code, template tags code, they are going to use the same concept. Okay, that's please make sure. So next, if the time permits, I will explain at least a small hello world application by using Flask. Matter of 5 minutes job. Okay, soon I will do that. Don't worry that. So now what I'm trying to take here is, sir, I want to go for employees list. Okay, legend. Sir, employees information, like this I'm taking, sir. Employees information, like. Now my target here is just to take a bit very special case, sir. So here have you remember, right? Somewhere we used this type of thing. What is this code? Can you please tell what is this code, sir? Please guide. What is this code? This code itself is nothing but what? What is this code? This code itself is nothing but this code itself is nothing but, yes, a template tag Jinja2 code, sir. It is the template tag Jinja2 code. Yes, this is we will not install. How it will support? Yes, automatically it will be supported. Don't worry about that. Automatically this support by default will be there. Whenever we are installing Django. Yeah, the part of that Jinja 2 also by default will be installed. Swami, getting that? Because it's the part of Django only. Automatically support by default is there. Okay, without Django, this code is not going to be supported. Okay, remember, because in the Django it will be supported, because at the time of Django installation, Jinja 2 also by default will be installed. Next, this Jinja 2, don't feel that it is applicable only for Python. In multiple other languages also may be a chance to use commonly. Yeah, the scripting language. Yeah. Next, sir, here just observe which context directory I passed. What is the name, sir? What is the name I passed? Employees. Regarding what is the name I passed? Employees. Because this is the name I require to use, right? This is the name I require to use. Now, if okay, employees. If employees. What the meaning of that is, sir, if employees are available. If employees are available. Now I have to display. Now I require to display the data in the table form. Okay. Now I'm taking table, sir. Table. Okay. Now, sir, T head. Regarding table, T head. TH I'm taking employee number, sir. Employee number. First column employee number. Next, employee name, employee salary, employee address, employee number, employee name, next employee salary, next employee address. Like this I'm taking, sir. Employee address. This is the T head. Okay. Now, if employees are there, then only I'm doing this activity, sir. If employees are there, then only I'm doing this activity, right? Sir, for every employee in employees, sir, do you know? Again, Jinja 2 code. Again, Jinja 2 code, sir. Now, observe carefully, sir. For each employee for each employee in employees, sir, seems to be Python code, but it's not Python code. Remember this one, it is the Jinja 2 code only. For every employee in employees, what I have to take, sir? TR. One TR I have to add. In that TD, we have to add, sir. Sir, EMP dot enum. Now listen, for each employee in employees, for each employee in employees, sir, can you please print that employee number? For every employee, one TR will be added, one record will be added. In that first TD is nothing but employee number. Like that, you can take second column, third column, fourth column. Second one, sir, name. Regarding second one, name. Third one, sir, sal. Fourth one, sir, address. Regarding address like this, sir, all four. So for every employee, separate TR will be added. Remember this one. This you people should aware, sir. Sir, observe that. Sir, for table TH is nothing but like this. So TH is ready. Okay, TH is ready, sir. Next time after that, for every employee, one TR will be added. Sir, for the first employee, one TR. For the second employee, another TR added. For the third employee, another TR added. So, okay, something like this. For every employee, a separate TR will be added. Okay. Now, end for, sir. Regarding, just I'm taking end for. Okay. So, seems to be a bit difficult. Only one time you are going to get the difficult. But the second time onwards, it will become very easy. Don't worry about that. So, if employees are there, sir, can you please create a table? Sir? So, if employees are there, can you please create a table, sir? In the TH, only one time table header is always only one time. Next, for every employee, can you please add a TR, first TR, second TR, third TR, like you can able to add any number of TRs, no problem at all. Any doubt? Please confirm. Are you in the position to understand, right? Please observe that. Yes. So if employees are there, now the table will come. That table is the responsible to display data. Next, here see this one, sir. So percentage, else. Have you observed, right? Else means, sir, if data, if employees are not there, just very simple, sir. No employee records found. No employee records found. Like this, you can able to print, sir. If employees data is not there, now no employee records you can, okay, like under there you can able to take, okay, here percentage, okay, here percentage and if, like this we can able to take. That's all. This is if employees are there, then automatically can you please display the total data. Next, the end of the table. Next, else, sir, if employees are not there, no employee information. Now here end if. Any doubt? Next, Saumen, what is this one? This is the HTML, right? This is the HTML code. Okay, this is the HTML page. In the HTML page, indentation is not important. Just for readability purpose, I'm taking like this. But don't feel indentation is required or not required. Here, indentation is not important. Indentation, that bloody concept is required only in the Python file, in the .py files. Okay, so don't feel a bit difficult. So first, whenever we are talking about sir, first time you may feel difficult, but second time, third time onwards, it is a very easy, sir. So because we are all programmers, sir, you can able to understand very easily, sir. Sir, can you please observe this line? What I'm taking? If employees are there. Oh, if at least one employee is there, take the table, sir. Take the table. In that head part is this one. Next, for every employee in employees table, for every employee, add one TR. TR means one record. Add one TR. If 4 employees are there, 4 TRs by default will be added. Are you getting? Next. Sir, if we convert this data to service URL, then we can skip Jinja format. Maybe. Vijay, maybe. Service URL means what? Web service. Yes, obviously we can skip. Just you can able to call. You can able to call. Now that person, the person who is going to write, he the responsible to display. Okay, that's it. Any doubt? All the people, can you please respond? Are you feeling comfortable with this code? Okay, that's all. Now just let me take table some border, because I'm not using any CSS concept here. That's why I'm not using any CSS concept. That's why just let me take some border to something like I'm taking, sir. Now only one activity is the remaining. Let me define URL pattern. In the URLs, I didn't define any URL from, okay, test the app, import views like this. Now I'm taking, sir, R directly dollar, maybe home page, right? Dollar, what I'm taking, sir, views dot, what is the employee info view? That's it. Employee info view. That's all. Sir, we need to know Jinja 2 or not. Whatever we discuss, that thing is more enough. We are not required to aware Jinja 2 language. Ramana, just aware, this is called Jinja 2. Just aware, beyond that nothing. We are not commonly required syntax, we require to aware. If it is required, I will explain that, up to that only. Mostly, even in the next sessions also, beyond that, I didn't use any extra. Don't worry about this. Beyond this, I didn't use anything extra. But make sure a small problem is there. Here you require to print, but within, okay, this is the text, right? Jinja 2 code, right? Okay, like we require to take. That's all. This is the small addition we have to take. It is not going to recognize compulsory in this form. It is also Jinja 2 code only, right? To print data. That's all. Okay, now let me start the server. I hope server is already started. Let me send the request. Automatically HTML file by default is going to be displayed. Which is the responsible to display my complete data? Wow, wonderful. Any doubt? Now the data is coming from. Now the data is coming from. The data is coming from where? Database, right? Is really data is coming from the database or not? The database or not? Of course, internally SQLite 3 I used internally. Okay, is really the data is coming from database or not? How I can able to check? Very simple, sir. Okay, let me add another employee. So Chinni, Sunny, Durga is there. Bunny is not there. Let me add one record. One record. Sir, 400. Next employee name. Bunny I'm taking. 400. Employee name. Bunny I'm taking. Employee salary. 4,000 I'm trying to take. Next employee address. HYD. Hyderabad, like this, right? Now, can you please save? Can you please save this data? Where I'm adding this data? Can you please confirm where I'm adding this data? In the database. In the database. Is that data will be reflected here or not? Now let me refresh. If it is really reflecting, compulsory it should be there, sir. Can you please observe? Bunny is coming or not? How beautiful it is. Clear, right? So we are not required to do SQL. Even I didn't write single SQL query. Have you remember my Django RM is going to take care everything related to the database operations, right? Sir, I want only these two columns. Or I want salaries. Salaries. Whose salary greater than 10,000? I want employees whose salary greater than 10,000. Or I want all employees whose name starts with the D or whose name ends with the D. All those queries happily we can able to implement without touching SQL code. Don't worry. I will show. Django ORM 2 or 3 sessions I will spend on that. There we have to explore internally, okay, how to customize queries based on my requirement, how to select the data, all those things we can able to do that. Sir, in the total cinema, are you facing anywhere difficulty to understand? If you are feeling anywhere, sir, this area, can you please explain? Like, I will spend more concentration there. Okay. Clear, friends? Even the material is also there. In the material, all these things are available. I hope you got the material. Yes, in the material, all these things are already there. Okay, just go through these things. That's all. Now, just compulsory you require to practice, right? Otherwise, you won't get it. Next examples onwards. Without a database, you can't expect a single real-time application also. That's why compulsory database part is the very essential, very critical. Next, in the database part, we discussed only 5%. Remaining 95% of database concept we require to discuss. That's why up to this compulsory, you people should require to get much clarity. Okay, well, sir, now next example onwards, what I want to take is, sir, I want to use MySQL database also, because at least MySQL database you have to familiar, which is also open source and freeware. Happily you can use in your real-time applications, which is the most commonly used database only. MySQL you can use, Oracle we can use, like happily we can able to do all. Okay, now, sir, there is one special real-time tool I want to discuss for you related to the database, right? Sir, do you know, suppose how many employees are available here? Can you please confirm how many employees are available here? Please guide. How many employees are there? Just 4 employees are there. 4 employees are there. Who added these 4 employees? Who added these 4 employees? Who added, sir? Durga added these employees in the admin interface. Are you getting? In the admin interface, Durga added these employees, right? Suppose tomorrow I want to test with a huge number of employees. Maybe 1,000 employees are required. If 1,000 employees are required with the test data, fake data, I want 1,000. There you have to open back and every add first record, second record, third record, fourth record, like you require to add thousand records is nothing but almost you may require to spend minimum 10 to 15 days. Correct or not? Minimum 10 to 15 days you require to spend for this. Now I want to do a small activity. Don't ask what I'm doing, sir. Just observe what I'm doing. Of course, I will explain in detail. Don't worry, sir. Sir, here I have one project is there. The Django ORM. ORM. Is there? Are you saying anywhere ORM? Yeah. Here there is one file is there. Don't worry about this file. Just a copy. Just a copy. Okay. Now let me go to our project folder. The Django 9, like model project. In the model project, can you please paste? In the model project, can you please paste? Sir, there is one small file. It came, sir. What is this file? What is the file? Populate.py. There is one file came. Populate.py came, sir. Now, here what I did is, what is our project name? Model project 1. Model project 1. Okay. Don't worry. Internally, what code I wrote here? Model project 1. Model project 1. Okay. Now, sir, here some number is there. What is this number? Can you please tell? What is the number you are seeing? Here some number is there. What is the number we are seeing? I respond. What is the number? 30. Means, sir, I want to add 30 records. I want to add 30 records, with the fake data, sir. Okay. Now, very simple. What you can do is, I'm stopping the server. Let me run that populate.py. That's all. Py populate.py. Py populate.py. Oh, the spelling mistake is there. Model project 1. 1 minute. Oh, yeah. Otherwise, it won't work, man. Thanks, Dilip. Okay, model project 1. Otherwise, it won't work. Yeah. Now here, py populate.py. Are getting py populate.py. Now take a bit very special care. Sir, 30 records by default will be added, sir. Observe that carefully. 30 records by default will be added to the database, man. 30 records will be added because it's taking some time. Added already. Sir, really 30 records added or not? Let me start the server. Okay, run server. Because if you want to see in the admin interface, or if you want to see to the end user, now let me refresh admin interface. Is really 30 records are added or not? Wow, wonderful, man. All these records already added. Like this. Now let me display to the end user. Yes, observe that. Okay, Hanath, Burnett, Collier, Tipson, Matthew, Melton, Katrina, okay, Pamela, Julie, Vanessa, Haley, Craig. These are the employee names, man. These are the employee numbers. These are the corresponding salaries. Are you getting that? Now South Sarah, East Troy, Rodneyburg, Jennifer Burrow, something like what is this one? Shelby Town. Okay, all these are employee cities. Are you getting? Now total how many records are there now? If you want, you can able to see 34 records are there. 34 records are there because I added. If you are going to execute again, if you are going to execute this one again, another 30 records by default is going to come. Oh yes, here if you are going to consider again 30 records are going to come, sir. Can you please observe that? Yes, py populate.py. That's all. Another 30 records by default will be ready. Another 30. Total 64 records are there in your database. Total 64 records are there in the database. Now observe that carefully. Now observe this carefully. Okay. Can you please have a look once? Total 64 records by default will be there. Another 30 records got added. Getting right? All like How beautiful this one. Okay, that's what you should aware. Sir, this data is called fake data. This data is called fake data. Are you getting? This data is called what? Fake data. How you can able to generate fake data? Are you getting? How we can able to generate fake data? For that we require to use, there is one special module. What is that module? Is faker module. Are you getting that? What is the module name? What is the module name? Faker module. The name itself indicates, right? To generate fake data. To generate fake data. Sir, which module we require to use? Faker module we require to use. Sir, in the real time, to generate fake data, then compulsory we require to use this faker module. A bit very important. Okay, just in front of you 60 records I added, sir. Just a matter of 1 minute. Sir, can I add 1,000 records? Can you please tell? Can I able to add 1,000 records or not? Yes, why not? Just a 30 number replaced with 1,000, then 1,000 records will be added. Just that 30 number replaced with 10,000, 10,000 records by default will be added. How beautiful it is. Are you getting? So such type of thing, if you want, then we should aware faker module. Whenever we are working with the databases, compulsory to generate this fake data for our testing purpose, we should have mandatory. Okay, do you want to explore on this concept? Yes, friends, do you want to explore? Yes, sir. I required to explore. Can you please explain like this? If you want just a few minutes, I want to spend on this concept. Can I go for that? Can I go for that, right? Yes, compulsory you people should have clarity about this terminology, right? Okay, now what I'm trying to take here is legend. All records is generated unique or duplicate records. Unique only. Unique only. Because random data, right? All the records are unique most of the times. Duplicate very rare. Because here I generated only 60 records, but in real time thousands of records are going to be generated, because I want to test the performance wise, load testing, all those things are required to do that. Then automatically if it contain duplicate data, maybe some problems may come. Because here one important point you should aware, Dilip, the data, the record present in the Django table never be duplicated. Can you please tell what is the reason? Each record is unique in the Django table. In the Django ORM table, each record is always each record itself is unique. What is the reason? Because of primary key ID. ID is always different. ID is always different. That's why. So every record is considered as different, unique record only because of primary key ID value. Remember, you are adding the rest of the data, but ID will be generated automatically. That number is always unique. That's why duplication, no such type of word. Okay. So now, sir, faker module. Can you please, everyone in a position to understand what is the purpose of faker module? Any explanation is required? Can you please guide? What is the need? What is the purpose of faker module? The main purpose of faker module is to generate fake data. Regarding the main purpose of faker module is to generate fake data. For which purpose we are going to use fake or for a testing purpose we can use. So in our database operation, if you want to fake data for our testing purposes, then we require to go for faker module, right? Sir, if you want to first you have to install, sir, faker module. You require to install first a faker module, right? How to install faker module? Very simple. In Python, software installations are very easy, sir. Pip install faker. F is the small, sir. Observe that faker. It is the module. F is the small faker. Okay. Now observe this one. In my system, it's already there. It's already there. That's why we are not required to worry about that. Okay. Requirement already satisfied. Because it's already there in my system. Are you getting? It's already there in my system. Pip install faker. Like this we are taking, sir. Sir, now this is the first thing what you have to take. Next, second one, sir. Here how you can able to use. Forget about how to use with the Django. Just how you can able to use with the normal terminology, right? Okay. Now here just observe a bit very carefully, sir. Now I'm taking fake. Okay, test.py. So first from faker module, can you please import faker class? Faker is a class, right? Are you getting? Can you please import faker class? Faker class. Next fake gen, or otherwise fake is equal to faker is equal to sir faker, like I'm taking. So do you know what I'm taking, sir? Here I'm creating an object. Of course, here you may get the fake is equal to faker, like this. I'm creating a faker object. Sir, any doubt up to this? Can you please tell? Any doubt up to this? Up to this one? Any doubts, sir? Nothing. Just I'm creating an object. Sir, now my requirement is I want to generate some random name. Print employee name. Sir, fake data name. You can call name method on the fake object. Faker object, right? On the faker object, if you call name method, now automatically, sir, random name by default is going to be generated. Remember this one, sir. Random name by default will be generated like this, right? Now, let me go to my current working directory. Okay, here just observe the py tester.py. Yes, employee name Jose Jose Cordova. Okay, Cordova, like next Ami Smith. Okay, are you getting that? Next time Tamara Ingram, like that. Like fake data automatically it's going to come. William Hinton, like this, right? Lisa Albert. Are you in the position to understand, right? How to generate fake name. Similarly, if I want to generate here, do you know this is the name? This is the first name, this is the second name. Are you getting? This is the first name, this is the second name. Every name contains 2 words. Sir, I want only first name. I want only first name, only last name. Like no problem at all. Here, yes, you can ask first name. You can ask a first name method. You can ask last name method is there. Okay, only first name, only last names also. If you want, you can able to generate. Okay, sir, this is some name. Sir, if you want some random first name and some random second name, King, like this, right? Just fake data only. Don't worry. Yes, here have you observed, right? This is the full name. This is nothing but first name. This is the last name. Something like that. If you want, you can able to generate. Okay, well, next my target is, okay, I want to generate date value, fake date value, sir. Okay, fake date value I want to generate. So now I'm taking print of employee date of birth, sir. Fake data date we can take. Fake data date we can take. Now have you observed, right? Fake data date 2001 01 11, like this, right? 2001 01 11 by default. 1992 12 29. Regarding seems to be exact data, but it's not exact data, fake data, right? Remember, okay, sir. Next, and after that, sir, I want random number. I want some random number, right? Now print sir, employee ID I'm taking, sir. Assume that employee ID. Sir, fake dot random number. Are you getting? Fake dot random number of 5 I'm taking. What is the meaning of 5? Up to 5 digits. Are you getting? Up to 5 digits. Okay, like it's going to come, sir. Why date came in the red color? Because the reason for that is it is based on this IDE. Because in our Python also date is available, right? Date module is available in our Python. Because of that, don't worry. Just it is the IDE set. I mean editor. Sir, have you observed up to 5 digits? Can you please generate some fake number? Can you please generate some fake number like this, right? Okay, up to 5 digits only. It's going to generate up to 5, 4, 3, something like max 5 digits are allowed. Max 5 digits are allowed. Okay, so that's all. 6 digits, 7 digits by default is not going to come. 8023, something like. Sir, I want to generate fake email ID. Are getting? I want to generate fake email ID. Fake email ID. Sir, employee mail ID. Employee mail ID. Fake dot email. Fake dot email like this, right? Okay, now have you observed? Don't try to send the mail. Okay, sir, here fake dot email by default got generated or not? Yes, observe alexander74@gmail.com. Okay, next Olson Robert@hotmail.com. Okay, some seems to be original data. Okay, but it's a fake data only. Mail ID got generated. Next and after that, some random int value I want to generate. Some random int value I want to generate, sir. Employee. Okay, salary or otherwise employee. Other number. Random int value. Random employee. So what I call alternative number, something like I'm taking. So if you want to generate random int value, then random underscore int minimum 0, max 9999, like this I'm taking, sir. Okay, sir, email here just observe that. Have you observed? It is so within this range, happily it is going to generate. Suppose you assume that your Aadhaar number something like it is going to generate within this range. It is going to generate. Getting the point, right? Yes. So now take a bit very special care. This is how you can able to generate the data. Next, here say this one, sir. Okay, sir, this is next. So sometimes what will happen, a group of values are there. From that values, can you please select some random element? Can you please select some random element? I want to take, sir. How you can able to take? Sir, this line is also very commonly used concept line. Sir, print off. Here just random element I want. Random element I want. Fake dot some employee role I'm taking, sir. Employee role. Fake dot random element. Fake dot random element, sir. Random element. In that which elements are there? Elements is equal to. Can you please select from the tuple, sir? Okay, software engineer is the first element, comma, software engineer is the first element, comma. Next, team lead is the second element. Again, team lead is the second element. Okay. Next, team lead is the second element. Third one, sir, project lead is the third element. Project lead is the third element. Okay. Now project lead. Next and after that, comma, project manager is the fourth. So from these four, can you please select randomly some element? Can you please select randomly some element like this, right? Now, can you please observe that? Regarding employee role team lead. Now, if I consider next employee role software engineer, if I consider next employee role project lead, so randomly it is going to select software engineer. Randomly it is going to select something like this. Now project manager, like. Any doubt, friends? Yeah, random number is always going to generate integer numbers only. Delete. Integer numbers up to 5, up to max 5 digits. like this, right? Next, random int value is always within the range, within the particular range. Next, clear, right? All the people can able to understand. Okay, well, so now what I want to take here is just let me take this total concept. Let me take this total concept. Here I'm taking, let me consider this total concept here for I in range of, for I in range of, okay, 100 I'm taking, sir. Just I'm trying to take here is for I in range of 100 I'm taking, sir. Then automatically, do you know, here just observe that here just I want to take I want to take here like this. How the data, how the output is going to come? Can you please cross check, sir? Same example only. 100 records by default will be added. Can you please observe that 100 records by default got generated? Now have a look once, sir. This data, next and after that this data complete different. Of course roles may be same, there's no guarantee. Next year role changed, okay, role changed like this, right? Now are you seeing 100 records data by default we are getting? Everyone in the position to understand what is the need or what is the purpose of faker module? Can you please confirm? Yes, friends. Okay, that's all. If you want to use with our model, sir, I don't want to display to the console. I don't want to display to the console. I want to add this data in the database. That's about my requirement. I want to add this data in the database in our employee table. What code we require to take care? Remember, just have a look once, sir. What code we have to take care? Already I showed. Yes, sir. This is the code, sir. Now, can you please observe this one? This is the link up our Python script to the Django environment. Can you please observe what is the first line? Import of OS module, os.environment.set default. Sir, this is, so it is related to model settings. It is related to model project 1 settings. Import Django and then Django.setup. Can you please do setup? Can you please do setup related to Django? Can you please attach this script for the Django? Like that I'm going to take. Okay, well, next and after that, sir, what I'm taking here is observe faker is equal to faker. Okay, I'm creating faker object. Sir, it is a small function. Inside that function for I in range of n. Sir, now f enum is equal to fake employee number is equal to, do you know, rand int. Sir, I used not only faker module, I used a random module also. Random module also there to generate some random data. Have you remember, right? To generate some random data, random module is also there, sir. What I'm trying to take, f enum rand int 1001 to 9999. Next, so the value is always going to be generated within this range only. Next, faker dot name. Next, rand int f sal, rand int 10,000 to 20,000, something like that. Faker dot city means address. City is going to come. Even address also will be generated. City also will be, only city name by default is going to come. That's all. Now, can you please observe EMP record? This line is a very important, sir. Now, what this line is going to do is just have a look once. Have a look once. Employee dot objects dot. Can you please tell what is this one? Get or create. If the record is already there, can you please return? If the record is not already there, can you please create that? That is the meaning, sir. Get or create. Get or create. Now I'm taking enum. Enum is fake enum. Ename is fake ename. Esal is fake esal. E-address is the fake e-address. Like this. Can you please create? Can you please create this record in the database? That's all. Okay, this is the line what it's going to do. Okay, four fake record data I'm getting. column data I'm getting, and then with the data, can you please select employee? Sir, employee dot objects dot get or create. Where employee is coming from test app dot models import employee. Clear, right? Any doubt? Up to this is very clear. Okay, that's all. Now in the future, if you want to generate any fake data, then highly recommended to use faker module. Remember this one, sir. Okay, well, now what is my next terminology here? Again, a bit very carefully, sir. Sir, I want to show, forget about this total, forget about this total. Sir, I want to show, including, I want to generate address also, print fake dot address. Okay, fake dot address. I'm trying to generate address, right? Can you please observe that? Can you please observe? It is going to generate address also, sir. Last two lines. Last two lines. Have you observed, right? This is the address. Last two lines. It is the address what we have. Last two lines itself is the address. Regarding address is also can be generated. Next, I don't want address, right? I don't want address, right? I want to generate. I want to generate. I don't want address, right? I want to generate only city. Okay, I want to generate only city, sir. Yes, how you can able to take, sir? City. Fake dot city, like this I'm taking. If I can take fake dot city, what output by default we are going to get, sir? Now observe this one, city name. Okay, this is city name by default we are going to get, sir. Okay, next John, next Jennifer Barack. Okay, like all these are city names in the US code, US based city names. East Wiki, okay, like West John, next, like, okay, that's all. So this is how you can able to work with the database, how you can able to work with the model. Now I have one small. Are you in the position to understand? Okay, these things are not. Can you please observe that carefully? Yes, I have some questions are there for you. Are you feel comfortable or not? Can you please let me know so that I can. So I will move to the next level, sir. Yeah. Can you please observe that these questions are you in the position to answer or not? Can you please have a look once? If you feel comfortable, then happily I can go to the next level. How to configure database inside settings.py? Sir, we don't know really this one because the reason is we use only default database SQLite 3. Regarding we use only default database SQLite 3. That's why how you can able to configure other databases. That part I will discuss. Don't worry. How to check connections, whether my database connections are working properly or not. Have you remembered, right? I told already from the console, you have to take from Django.db import connection. Next, create a C is equal to cursor, like in the shell we have to execute. Next, how to define model class inside models.py. Regarding how to define model class inside models.py, you know already class model. Okay, like how you can perform migrations and a migrate command. How to add our model to the admin interface inside admin. To display total data, how to write the model admin class in admin.py. Next, how to create super user, how to log in admin interface and add data to our tables. How to see generated SQL code because of my migrations. Any doubt? For all these things, you can able to answer. All these things you can able to answer very easily. Correct? Okay. Well, sir. Yeah. Only except the first one. Don't worry. Surya Prakash. Except the first one. All the remaining things are very clear. Okay. Now, how to work with the MySQL database? Okay. That part we have to discuss. How we can able to work with the MySQL database. Yeah. to display total data, how to write model admin class inside admin.py? Raman, I told right? Model admin class inside admin.py. Can you please observe that? Admin.py. Yes, sir, this is called model admin. Class employee admin, which is the child of admin.model admin. Next, list display, enum, ename, eval, address, like this, right? Okay, that's it. I hope everyone can able to understand. Yes, sir, these parts are. Sir, now last one, what I have to take care here, just take a bit very special care. In the settings.py, if you don't want to use SQLite 3, I want to use my own database, right? If you want to use our own database, then we have to configure, we have to specify inside settings.py. Let me open my settings.py file. In the settings.py, are you seeing anywhere databases? Yes. Okay, this is the databases, right? We are saying these are databases, like I'm taking. Now, do you know here default, this is the default database and so on, but now I want to specify Oracle database. I want to specify Oracle database, okay, or MySQL database, right? How you can able to do that? Very simple, sir. Sir, anyone having the idea about MySQL? Can you please confirm? Anyone having the idea? Sir, I know basic idea about MySQL basic idea. Anyone? MySQL database. Anyone having the basic idea? Because tomorrow I want to use MySQL database. Okay? Very simple, sir. So if it is the MySQL database, what we require to specify is engine we have to specify. So everything is the same, but instead of SQLite 3, we have to take SQLite 3 MySQL. Okay, that is the first engine, sir. Engine we have to take. Next, second one, sir, name, database name we have to specify. Do you know in the MySQL, MySQL, we have to write in the MySQL, we have to define our own database, something like DurgaDB, Django DB, something like we are going to take. So here we have to specify database name. Here we have to specify database names. Next, user. Okay, what is your username to communicate? Okay, my username is root, sir. User, you have to specify with what user you have to configure. With what user you require to configure, you have to specify. Comma. Next parameters are password. Are you getting? Next parameter password. So with what password? Sir. Password is also root, assumed. Username and password. If you are working with Oracle database, Scott, Tiger, like we are going to specify, right? Okay, password. Next, host, sir. Host, on which mission database server is running? Are you getting? On which mission database server is running like this, right? Okay, host name, if you want, you can able to specify local host. Are you getting? Local host you can specify, or otherwise 127.0.0.1. So in the local mission database server is running. Next, on which port number database server is running. So if it is the MySQL 3306 port number, like we have to specify these parameters, right? So just instead of these things, if you can specify like this, now do you know, happily now onwards the database is going to be reflected is MySQL database instead of Oracle. It's a very easy, sir. Any doubt? Please confirm. Are you in the position to understand, right? Okay, this is, but anyway, once I'm going to explain with the example, then you can get much clarity. Okay, beyond that, nothing. So in the databases, settings.py databases, if you are going to specify our target database information, now onwards, this database is going to use our database, this Django is going to use our provided database configurations. That's it. Okay, compulsory you have to install MySQL. Please install MySQL in your system. If you require any support, open the Google or YouTube and install MySQL, because at least one example I want to show with the MySQL database. Okay, please make sure, even if you are not, I want to satisfy with SQLite 3, no problem at all. Okay, right, sir. So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Tomorrow I will explain with MySQL database, Faker module, one small project we are going to build. Okay, so that you people can feel more comfortable. No, MySQL, Pavan Sharma, you can use recent version. Currently, I am using which version? Better to plan the same. Here, MySQL 5, MySQL Server 5, 5.0. Okay, that's it.